Alright, so let's begin by creating this design. It's not so difficult, okay? So I'm going to bring in some resources. This is a waterfall, right? Okay, I'll drag it like this. Are you seeing that now? Okay, that's a waterfall. Just come over here and just do this. Then let's work on this. Okay, still. Okay, so this is waterfall. All right, then there's this mountain kind of something there, and there is a dove that's flying, and there are birds. Let me bring these guys. All right, so the clouds are going to be maybe here. I'm gonna copy and put some here. All right, I'm gonna copy and put maybe one here. Then, for this bed, sorry, not that. This for these guys, you can just reduce them and put them there. Okay, and copy and put some here. All right, then you can bring in this guy now. Okay, so this is what I saw. So just try and adjust the colors. Right. Okay, that's too much. Reduce the opacity a little more. Okay. Right, so adjust it here like this. Vent the background a little. Vent it like this. Then change the background color to white. Right, so this is what we have, right? Then bring this waterfall to the front like this. So this is what we have already. Are you seeing that now? Then bring these guys to the front, bring this guy 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 to the front. Alright, so we have something like this. Then come over here and write the word waterfall. Sorry, overflow. Okay. Alright, so use a long font like B-bands, like this. If possible, make it bold. Alright. Let's use padding to bring out this part that's hidden. So it's like this, right? Then we could let's check. Okay, we could internalize it like this. Okay, then come back here and do this to bring out the W completed. So this is it, right? So we can adjust the colors. So what is inside there now is this particular design. All right, so let's check the colors. We could use these to do it. Okay. Okay. Right. So let's continue. I'm going to bring this guy here. All right. I'll put it here. Put it here. Put it here. And I'll bring this text to the front. Now I'm going to use this color. All right. Okay. So if you check, there are other stuff here. So let's quickly fix that. It's not going to be difficult. So just get a shape. Just get a shape like this. All right, put it there. Drag it here. Drag it here. Add the radius to the edges. Okay. All right, you can just centralize it like this. So you can copy the text that's supposed to be there. Sunday, May, this, and then the time. So let's copy the text from here. Okay, so let's select this text. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. Now paste it here. Paste it here. Right, so I'll adjust it like this. Like this. I'll come over here, I will centralize this. Alright, I'll make it bold. Alright, to save our time, this is what I'm just gonna use. Alright, so at the extreme end there are two circles. Okay, so there are two circles, so just come over here, get a circle. Alright, push it here. The color of the circle is brown. Okay, so increase this, copy and put it here also. Alright, so if you check very well, you'll see that this is 8 a.m. This is May, Sunday, May, blah blah blah, then 8 a.m. So I'm just going to come over here. So I'll just put the church address here, so the church name like this. Right, so I'll just give it a left alignment. The logo is going to be around that place too. Right, then this part here, there's going to be D here. So we just use a script font for it. So let's go to the fonts. Let's look for a script font. Right, so that is not bad. Just increase it like this and put it there. Alright, so we can check again and see what's missing. Okay, so there's something that's missing right there. Alright, the dove. So let's go and get the dove. Alright, so I've gotten it. I'm going to come over here and I'll click here, and we get this dove. Alright, so I'm going to fix it here. I will increase the contrast and I'll send it here like this. Alright, then I'm going to come over here. I'll click on this guy here. This is it. I'm going to grab the logo. Alright, so I'll fix it right there. Okay. Alright, so I think that's about all. So the last information that is here is this one here, which I think is their Facebook handle. Right, so I'm just going to use the arch to put it, to add it there. Okay, so I'm going to click here like this. I'm just going to do this. Alright, so I would put it like this. Alright, so just make it bold. Alright, put it there. You can see that it's not visible enough, so just get one of the what's it called? One of the clouds and bring it down here. If you can do it like this, bring it down here. Okay. Alright, then bring this to the front. Bring this to the front, 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 and the last one here. Oh, I'm missing it. Okay. Alright, so these are all the information that we need for this particular design. What you need now is to save it. Alright, so I'm saving it now. By the way, I saw it on Pinterest, and a lot of people were asking for tutorials, and the original creator was not responding, so that is why I had to create the design. So I've gone to Pixellab. Now on Pixellab, you click on this plus icon, add the design that we just saved or worked on now. This is it. I don't know why it's taking so much time to load. So this is the design that we just worked on. Okay, so we're waiting for it. So this is the design we just worked on now. Right, then we'll have to go over here. What is wrong? So I'll look for where you have add photos. I want to add a lens flare, a lighting effect to the design. So I'm going to add it right here. Then I'm going to look for where you have blend. Click on screen. You will see it like this. So you can increase it. Right, I'll put it just small there like that. Now this screen you can duplicate it. Alright, so let's duplicate it. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. Right, so click on it like this and then click on duplicate. It will become 2. Alright, so I'm going to bring this around here. Alright, then I'm going to duplicate again. Alright, I'm going to duplicate it again. And then I'll move this one here. Somewhere here. Alright. So then I would also duplicate this. Alright, then I'll move it maybe up here like this. Reduce it a little. Okay, I'll put it there like that. Then you can now save it. Alright, and then you're good to go. My name is Niamoda. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.